You're deep in the floor plan, you're drawing, sketching, everything's flowing, and then suddenly you realize you've been drawing on the wrong layer this whole time. But don't worry, it's not a you problem, it happens to the best of us, even after years on the iPad. Drawing on the wrong layer isn't about being more careful, it's about not having a system that prevents it. So let me show you a quick fix that takes literally like 10 seconds, and then 3 more tips to ensure it basically never happens again. Quick hello if you're new here, my name is David. I'm an ex-architect and I teach people how to sketch like an architect, both on paper and on the iPad. Everything I'm about to show you comes right out of one-on-one sessions that I run with architects from around the world. This exact fix came up last month with an architect in Brazil, so let's get you unstuck as well. So here's what happened. I was drawing my furniture happily and it all landed on my walls layer instead of on its own. Do you recognize that? I think we all do. As you can see, I've drawn it into the walls. If I turn it off, the furniture is in there, but I need this bed and this bed as well to be on the furniture layer with all the other furniture. So the quick fix is to double tap on the layer we want to take it from, in this case the walls, select it with the selection tool, in this case marquee, the rectangle marquee makes a lot of sense. While it's selected, I want to double tap on the layer I want to paste it to. So in my case, furniture, I double tap and it jumps to that layer. Let me show you, it actually moved. It's not in here anymore, but it is in the furniture layer where it's supposed to be. One more time for the sake of practice. Again, from walls, I double tap, highlight and select this layer. Use a selection tool with the rectangular marquee. Select what I want to move. I can move it within the layer already, but I want to move it to the furniture layer. So I have the walls selected, I double tap on the furniture and it will jump in there. Now it's important to note that the layer I'm pasting it into needs to cover the area that I'm pasting it from. So if I double tap the walls or any layer, really, you can see the black rectangle which outlines the whole layer. And if I double click furniture, it's still within my floor plan. So there was a space, there was an area where I could paste it into. Now let's be honest, drop a yes in the comments if you've ever run into the wrong layer issue in Morpholio Trace. You're in a very good company here. Fixing it after the fact is the slow way. Ideally, we want to prevent it altogether so it doesn't happen in the first place. Now I have 3 tips, very tiny habits that I do and I recommend you to, so we ensure it barely happens to you ever again. Now number 1 is kind of obvious, but a lot of us will skip this, and that's naming the layers. If you can't see the layer panel enlarged and extended in this way, you can click on the arrows in the top right corner so you can see the names of the layers. If you want to rename them, simply click on them and you can rename. Now the second thing is to always highlight and activate the layer that you want to work in. By default in Morpholio Trace, if I just start drawing here for a test, it will get drawn to the top available layer. So in this case, it would be the furniture. If I want to draw into a different layer, it's best if I activate it first, and it doesn't have to be the top one anymore. So let's say I want to go into the walls, I double tap it and I say test 2, and now it is really in this walls layer instead of the top one. And third, really quick one, that's just to glance at the layers every time to double check that we are working on the right one. Most of the times when clients come to me when there's something wrong, the first thing I look into is the layer panel, because it basically tells me how you think, how you structure the workflow, if you have it separated, and if there are any issues in there. So that's the first thing I look into. And I recommend you do the same, or keep an eye on that. So if you've been drawing on the wrong layer and you feel clumsy about it, you're not clumsy, it's not really you, it was just about having a system, and now you do. Quick thing before you go, everything that I've just shown you came out from real one-on-one work. If you like that kind of personalized help with your own Morpholio Trace workflow, I open just a couple of one-on-one spots every quarter. There's a free link to my waitlist down below if you'd like to get in touch. And if this was helpful, you can watch these videos next. Happy sketching!